Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to create an Alipay account as a new user, how to create an Alipay account and how to register successfully without getting banned on Alipay, because Alipay is a very strict app, and one single mistake they will ban you and you have to create with another account, you understand? So you need to be very careful when creating an Alipay account. So if you're new to my channel, I am Jenny, an importation coach and a procurement agent. So if you're really interested in learning how to import from countries like China and Turkey, then this channel is the right place for you to be. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so you see how I created a new account from scratch in order for you not to make mistake while creating your own Alipay account. So kindly watch this video to the end.
So once you have the app downloaded on your phone, what you need to do is open the app. This is a new account. Once you open the app, it will bring out these terms and conditions, their privacy protection tips. You need to agree, do not disagree, because once you make a mistake, the account is gone. So you need to be careful when creating an Alipay account, because Alipay is a very strict app. So once you open the app, you click on agree. You click on agree and you allow notification. So we want to register with a new number. Now to insert your number, make sure you change the country code. So you type Nigeria. Make sure you use your country code. If you're in Ghana, you type Ghana, then it will bring out the country code, because if you insert a number without checking for the country code, it will not work. So make sure the number you're using correspond with the country code you're using. And this is my number. Please make sure you use a number that is active, because they're going to send you code. So to ensure the security of your action, please complete this verification. Yes, yes, so let's confirm this. This is the puzzle. Just make sure you do the right thing before clicking on confirm. Okay, so I passed the verification. Then I will log in with SMS, because they are going to send a code to you. So make sure the number you're using is active. So log in via code. After you insert the code that is sent to your SMS or your email, it will bring you to this place where you'll be asked to insert your password. So make sure to use a password that you can remember, because I said before that Alipay is very strict. So make sure to use a password that you can remember. Then you click on next. Now you remember the password that we use, right? Because that is what we'll be using to log in on. So make sure you use a password that you can remember. So I'm going to, for this one, I'll click on don't allow. Okay, then this is how the app look like. This is the Alipay account. So we successfully created an Alipay account. So this is how the Alipay account look like.